Hello guys, my name is Deepto Sarkar and welcome to my channel Techno Talker. And today I am showing you how you can make a affiliate marketing website for Amazon affiliate marketing the most easiest way possible. Without talking too much, let's dive in. So for creating an affiliate marketing website, you need to first purchase a domain and hosting. You can purchase domain and hosting from your favorite provider. Maybe it can be Namecheap, Bluehost, and there are lots of domain and hosting provider. You can purchase from one of them. Okay, so after purchasing the domain and hosting, you can get a cPanel access, and your cPanel should be look like this. Okay, your cPanel should be look like this, and after scrolling a bit, you can find the WordPress manager by SoftLocus. For your perspective, maybe you can find this empty, but I have two websites, one of my personal website and one is for my channel website. So you need to install, and after I click on install, you can find the domain name here. When you click on this little drop down, you can find your domain name here. For this video, I installed this on my free domain lastcity.com. So okay, here you can select the domain wp directory. Here you can make this directory null, and the admin and password that pretty much as it is. Okay, and then click on install. After clicking on install, it takes maybe 2 or 3 minutes or maybe some more than that. So you need to wait for complete this process. So this is complete, and here you can find two links. One is your website link and one is your website admin panel link. As we are designing a website, so we need to go to the admin panel to design this website. So click on this admin panel. So here is our admin panel. Currently it is empty, and if you want to visit your website, you can click on my blog. So my website name is currently my blog. So you can, if you can hover this my blog, you can see the option visit site, and after that you can visit this website. This is completely empty because this is very new, and we need to first install a theme. And for this purpose, for this making this affiliate marketing website, we will be using this block C theme. This is much more convenient for affiliate marketing website. So you need to click on appearance, and after click on appearance, click on add new and search block C, BLOCK SY, block C. So here is the block C theme, and you need to install this. Click on install. It is installing. So after installing, you need to active this theme. So click on active, and after click on active, you need this theme will be activated. Okay, this theme will activated, and now we can see the view. Here is the website, and refresh this. Okay, so view something like that. Now we need to design each pages. Okay, now we need to install one plugin. The plugin is suggested here, the block C, the install block C companion. This is an add-on plugin for block C theme, so we need to install this. Install, if you click on install here, this will be installed automatically. So it's installing, guys. Okay, and after install this, you can find lots of function here. You can change the color option here, header option, and lots of things. Here the important thing is starter site. You can add a complete build site. You can import this site here. There are some lots of import site here. Okay, so product review, this is the one, and we need to import this. Import on a style theme. Next, we don't need WP forms and Elementor, and install this. This is installing, and after installing this, we will see a complete website. This block C theme, the best part of this block C theme is there are lots of pre-made template, pre-made site. You just click once and the whole site will be imported. So this is a great feature for block C theme. So it's loading, maybe it will take some time. So the installation done, and you can see the starter site imported successfully. Now we can see the view site. So now take a look. Here is your site. It's completely loading. By the way, this is only the home page, this is only the home page. Okay, and you can see different section here, the popular review section, and this is maybe the top category section. Okay, some numbers. So your site is completely ready. So as I promised, I will give you the best possible way to make an affiliate marketing website. So here is your home page. So for affiliate marketing website, the product review is very important, and you can see the review page here, product review page, the nice looking product review page here. Also, I will give you some pre-made template for product review. In the description you can find a Google Drive link, and in this link you can find all the template that I have provided. So now use one of this pre-made template. So let's go to the admin panel again. Okay, here is the admin panel, and now we can create maybe a product review. Okay, maybe top 10 gaming chair, maybe top 10 gaming chair. Okay, so you can click edit with Elementor, and after clicking on that we can edit this with Elementor. So here is the file that I have provided you through the Google Drive. You can find the link in the description. So here you can find lots of design like the about page design, affiliate post design. Here is the review 1, review 2. Okay, single review here. So now we need to import one of this. So we can import, this is the thing, affiliate post. So let's see how it look like. Okay, affiliate post template, we can insert this. So it's inserting. Okay, so this is the single review page design. So here is the product title, here is the product image. You can add some key feature here, the pros and cons. Okay, here is the product 2, the pros and cons. This is another design, and here is the here is the frequent asked question answer, and here is another design. There is also pros and cons. Check out, yeah, here is some more reviews, related product reviews. So all the design you can find in the Google Drive, and you can use this as you want. You can use this. So in this way you can also design the about page, contact page, and maybe the shop page, maybe the whole review page, blog page. You can design any of this. I have give you all the templated in the Google Drive. You can find these 2 folders there. This is the affiliate post that I have import earlier, and this is the affiliate template kit. You can find the JSON page, about page, and this is the review page, header, home page. You can find all the template here, and in this way you can easily develop a affiliate marketing website. That's all for today, and hopefully you can find this tutorial helpful. And if you find this helpful, then please do like, do subscribe, and hit the bell icon that you can find my video whenever I post. And no more today, I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.